Okay, I always wanted to do this, so here it goes. This is a working knife. Got the screws off of it. Looks okay. Set that thing there. Okay. Working good. Okay. What we're going to do now, ooh, that thing's under tension. That's okay. Going to take out the blade pin. That stops it from flying out the knife. Put the actuator, I call it the slide carriage, and put her back together. Now, oops, forgot one thing. Hang on a minute. All right, we're going to load the blade. That's locked. Okay, folks, let's see what happens. Woo, about 3 feet. Do not try this at home. It turns your knife into a gun. I'm not kidding. That's first time I did that. I never did that before. I just thought I'd share that with you. But I really figured that's what would happen. Does this change the status of the knife? No. It's just a knife that if you take the stop pin out, the blade pin, it'll fly out. It doesn't really become a projectile weapon. It only went about 3 feet and very weak. If you're within 3 feet of somebody, I tell you, I would much rather get hit with that knife flying out of there than having them throw it at me, or if they're within 3 feet, they would probably stab you a lot worse with it. So again, don't mess around with this stuff. It's dangerous. You could lose an eye. You could get hurt. Let nuts on YouTube do it, like some people we know, namely me. So, but I hope you enjoyed that, and we got a lot more mechanisms to discover. That's just a little fun add-on. Thanks a lot.